Welcome to the iLearn tutorial for the Statistics tool. The Statistics tool is a way for you to see important information about your students and their behavior while they use your course site. To begin, go to the course site for which you would like to view the statistics. Then click on the Statistics tool in the left-hand menu. You will be taken to the Overview page, which is divided into 4 categories. Under Visits, we can see how many site members are registered in your site, how many of them have visited the site, and how many haven't. By clicking Show More, a drop-down menu will appear that can allow for more in-depth statistics. You can set the information to be shown by date or by user. You can view the statistics for the last week, month, year, or since site creation. You can also choose the roles to view the statistics for a specific group of people, such as your students. Next, under Activity, you can see an overview of events in your site. Activities are a summary of student access and interactions with course tools, such as announcements and the syllabus tool. The Resources tab allows you to see how many files there are, how many files have been opened, the most popular files, and the user who has opened the most files. If you would like data regarding student access to specific resources, that can be viewed here. The Lessons tab allows you to ensure your students are viewing the materials provided. The information can be displayed by date, by user, or by page.